Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sarveshwar. Today we'll discuss how to get rid of an A's in your file. Suppose you are having a vector or any data frame or a matrix in which there are some values, those are an A. Suppose this is the data we are having for the SCC company in India. This is data for bid ask spread, and here we are having some values. You can see here on the row number 23rd there are some values NA. You can see here and here also these NA. So when we are having NA, and suppose for every day we are just doing some calculation for finding the mean, median, or some kind of measures, in that situation, this might create some problem. So in that situation, sometimes what we need, we want to make it zero. Suppose you don't want to make it anything, you want to make it zero, or you can convert it or replace it like we do in Excel. Just find and replace with some number. So here we can replace an A with either zero or any other number. So what is the process for that, friends? Suppose this is my file, and I just want to, what simple command is, this is the command I have got from Stack Overflow. uh, is.na, we know it is used just to identify what values are NA in our file. So our name of the file is ACC. So this command in square brackets is.na in brackets ACC. It says ki in this data frame, what are the values? Those are having NA. So it will just give me the relative position key. What are the values? Those are true. Those are having NA. So I will just replace these values, and these square brackets, what are they doing here? They are subsetting those values from ACC file. So from ACC file, subset the values, those are NA. So in this way, we can just get the position where we are having NA, and we are just replacing it by 0 is equal to 0. Or what can we do here? We can just replace it by 0 or 5, 6, or any other letter, anything. So here I'm just replacing it with 0. So now when we just reopen the file, the NAs we were having around 23rd row, if we go to 23rd row, we can see these values have been replaced by 0. So this is the way, friends, you can get rid of zeros. That could be very helpful sometimes. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep watching, friends.